I'm going on the first official Vision Quest of the season. What's up? This is Jonathan Paul Duncan at jpd.hlc. Today is June 24th, 2020, about 8:15 p.m. I'm driving south to southeast towards Kings Canyon National Park, and I'm going on the first official Vision Quest of the season. I'm excited. I mean, I'm on the road. I'm leaving a bit later than I had anticipated or I had wanted to leave. Last time I was leaving, getting ready for Death Valley, I forgot things like my glasses. The last thing that I want to do is forget something, especially going on a trip like this, on a Vision Quest like this. I'm not too sure what's going to happen. That is inherent in Vision Quest, from my perspective, is the art or the act of seeking. Even if I'm like, I could be seeking something and I don't need to know what I'm seeking. From my perspective, there needs to be balance between these two sides. But a great philosopher once said, when you stare into the abyss stares back. For me today, going on this journey, I'm not too sure what's going to happen. I have been to Kings Canyon National Park before. However, there's a lot of comfort and security with me in staying at peace and just relaxing. So I'm going to enjoy the rest of the drive, enjoy this opening montage. Thank you, Kyle, Addicted to Life, One Love Media. Hit him up, he knows what's up. And with that being said, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.